Okay, getting started. Now we loaded up our Microsoft Excel. Excel is basically a spreadsheet program, so we can do manipulate of numbers, calculations, and data on here. So what we're going to do first of all, we have to go File, and we go New. Okay, so if you're starting from scratch, you click blank, and it gives you a blank spreadsheet. So you can create your own whatever you need to do in Microsoft Excel. We're going to show you some examples, but this is a blank sheet. So it's up to you what you want to do. It's your masterpiece that you can put in there. Alright, so let's go back to here, new, and we have templates. I love templates because it helps you to do things. Let's say we go into business one, and if we say we wanted to have a petty cash receipt, you click on it here, and it load a petty cash receipt. So we can put information. So it's not just numbers you can deal with. You can also deal with pictures, and basically you can put in the numbers and it will do the calculations for you. So go back to new business. We're looking at projects. That's here a projection. General ledger for accounting. Let's click on that one. Okay, so it's got basically 2005 actual versus the budget, right? So I mean, you can have your office, the year to date, the actual, right, and the budget one. So this is basically remaining of your budget, the percentages used. So this is your expenses that you can create, and you can put, like, say for example, you can type in your data. So we actually have office expense, and we have from our monthly expense. That's from another sheet that they have. They have all these sheets that they've actually created. So we could create many different sheets, right? And then the data could feed back into the budget. For example, this one says it goes monthly expense 07. So we go monthly expense, and 07 is right here. See, this is 7 and this is O. This is where it's getting the data from here. This data is the sum of all these months. So this month, this is from, right, the Office 1000, that's right here. Okay, and from here it's feeding these these office expense for these months and giving it a total. So you don't have to go and create your own. You can take theirs and modify it. This is maybe a little more advanced for you for this sheet, but we just want to show you that you could actually go and let's go back and look at some more templates. We can look at like, say you want to calculate hourly, your week timetable, or your time sheet for clients or project operations, daily calendar, time sheet. And click on this one. So we've got a time sheet, for example. We got Monday, they put the date, how many regular hours, if you worked overtime, right? If you're sick, your vacation. So you can get a accumulation of your totals, right? Of how many hours, and then if you're making so much an hour. So all these datas you can put in. So you could actually use theirs, right? And just change it, manipulate it, all the stuff you can do. That's the nice part about templates. So we could actually use whatever is here. And this got quite a bit. I mean, there's tons and tons. Travel and monthly, paper report, schedule sales. You can even do like some invoices on here, like the sales orders. We've got sales receipts, right? So you can do sales receipts, donations, expense budgets, inventory lists, different price lists, sales invoice. This is what I was looking for. So we're looking for sales invoice, and basically set up your logo here, your addresses, bill to for your customer, invoices, the date, the invoice number, the date, and PO if there's a PO, item numbers, and the unit number, the amount, and if it's discounts, you can change for the taxes. All these stuff is preset. You can change, figures and amount and names. All that stuff's up to you. So basically, that's how